guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Chrissy. Today we are doing a affordable shower routine. All the products that I'll be using, you can get them from your local Target or Walmart. Today I decided to wash my hair and let it be a part of my shower routine. My hair needed to wash. I then hopped into the shower and run my bath while washing my hair because I love to do that, okay? And I love doing this, guys. It feels amazing. Guys, I'm gonna go in with my exfoliating gloves, and I go in with the first product, which is the Dove Moisture Boost Pre-Cleanse Shower Butter with hyaluronic acid serum and moringa oil. I usually do this a couple times a week just to get rid of any buildup, which is the main cause of body acne or breakouts on the skin. The exfoliating gloves helps to remove the dead skin cells and brings in the new skin so that your skin looks more radiant. I love it. I added the body cleanser all over my skin, and I love this one by Dove because it adds so much moisture to the skin. I love it, guys. I absolutely use this all over my body. It feels great with the exfoliating gloves. So next, my go-to body wash is the Smoothing Plus Coconut Coffee Wash from OGX, which is also a scrub, and this also helps soften your skin and boost hydration. I love to use my loofah because it gets so foamy and scrub the skin so good. I also use my exfoliating towel for my back areas because, you know, we cannot reach the back areas of the skin. Next up is my Dr. Teal's Epsom Salt Body Scrub, which exfoliates and renew with eucalyptus and spearmint. Guys, this feels great and the scent is so refreshing. I love this. I then use my pedi scrub to wash my feet. This cleanse, exfoliate, moisturize, and massage your foot. You can use this up to 20 times. After I get out the shower, I typically brush my teeth and use the Crest Pro Health Advanced Toothpaste and wash, and the 3D White Glamorous White Mouthwash. Now to my favorite part, which is skincare. So, as you guys know, we are launching very soon. Today I'll be using the brightening set. This cleanser have some beads in it which also scrub your skin. I love the cleanser. It helps lighten hyperpigmentation, reduce the appearance of sunspot, restores the skin texture, and brightens the skin. Next, we are going to tone with the brightening toner, which refresh the skin. It has witch hazel, aloe vera, and tea tree. I normally use a cotton pad so that you can get rid of all the dirt that's on the skin. Sometimes you can just spray it on your face, whatever works for you. I just typically use a cotton pad to do that. I think it works better. Sometimes I'll go ahead and spray the face after. Let that soak in, let that dry, and we go on to the serum. I love the serum, guys. The last step is moisturizer, which we call the dark spot cream. I love this product. It moisturizes and let the skin feel so refreshing. Once we are done with skincare, we go ahead to the rest of the body, which I had to cut because of age restrictions. So I'm just going to tell you guys the product that I use, which is the Nivea Essentially Enriched 48-Hour Moisture Body Lotion for dry skin. And also love to use the Palmer's Skin Therapy and the Dr. Teal's Moisturizing Bath and Body Oil as well. My skin looks so moisturized. I went ahead and got dressed, and that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I will see you guys. Bye.